In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive website in Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move a project out of your active workspace and keep your dashboard clean without deleting anything important. First, head over to Framer in your browser and sign into your account. This will land you on your workspace or project dashboard, where you can see your recent and team projects. Take a moment to locate the website you want to archive. If you're part of a team, make sure you're in the correct team folder so you're looking at the right set of projects. Now, hover over the project card or open the project's folder view so you can see the available actions. You'll notice a highlighted area or a contextual menu on the project, often shown as an icon with 3 dots or as a clearly marked action. Click the highlighted control to open the project options. If you're managing many sites, it can help to glance at the project thumbnail, title, or last edited time to confirm you're selecting the correct one before proceeding. From the options that appear, click Archive. This tells Framer that you want to move the project out of your active list. Archiving is a safe, reversible way to keep your workspace tidy. It's great for projects that are complete, paused, or no longer being updated, but that you may want to revisit later. A confirmation window will appear with a message explaining what will happen next. Essentially, that this will move the project to your archive. Read this carefully to ensure you're archiving the right site and understand the impact. Archiving doesn't delete your work. It simply moves it out of your main view so you and your team aren't distracted by projects that aren't in progress. If your workflow involves collaborators, this is also a good moment to double-check you've communicated any changes they should expect. When you're ready, click Archive Project to confirm. Framer will move the website into the archived section of your workspace. If you ever need it again, you can navigate to your archive and restore it with just a couple of clicks. That way, you keep your workspace lean while maintaining full access to your designs and settings. To quickly recap, open Framer and find your project, open the highlighted project options, choose Archive, review the confirmation message, and click Archive Project. That's all there is to it. With this simple workflow, you can keep your Framer dashboard focused on the work that matters right now, while safely storing everything else for future use.